everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So 2020 is almost over, thank goodness. It's been a really crazy year for all of us, but I definitely wanted to just, thank you guys for watching my videos and supporting my channel, subscribing, all that amazing stuff. And this is gonna be my last video for the end of the year, and it probably come out either before Christmas or on Christmas, but I definitely wanted to come on camera just to thank you guys and really hope you guys are really being safe out there, and just to say Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whatever holidays that you decide to celebrate or don't celebrate. Just make sure that you are safe so we can make it over into 2021, and hopefully that will be a much better year for all of us. So thank you guys so much. I love you, and I will see you next year. So for the last video of the year, I'm going to show you how to make a very simple shortbread thumbnail cookie with a raspberry filling. It is so simple. You probably have the ingredients already in your kitchen, so just something to treat yourself for the holidays. So if you want to see how I make it, then keep watching. So enough talking. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year. Let's get cooking. I'm going to start off by adding 1 stick of unsalted butter, nice and soft at room temp. And now I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of sugar. And I'm just going to put the paddle on my stand-up mixer, and I'm going to cream both the sugar and the butter together, just making sure that both are completely combined. Now this is what's going to make your cookies taste really delicious, so I'm ready to add 5/8 teaspoon of almond extract. And I'm going to continue to mix, and I'm going to be mixing on and off as I add more ingredients. I'm ready to mix in 1/8 of a teaspoon of sea salt and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. So I've already measured 1 1/4 cup of flour, and I'm going to go ahead and add that to the mixture as well. And you guys, make sure you start off on a slow speed. I know the video looks fast because I just sped it up, but you want to start off slow because you don't want flour all over the place. So right now I'm just going to grab a rubber spatula and scrape the sides of the bowl, just making sure that all the ingredients are mixed really well, and I'm going to give it another big mix. Now you're going to see that the dough is going to seem kind of crumbly and a little dry, so if you want to add some more or a tablespoon of milk, you can absolutely do that. So this is what the dough is going to look like. So I'm going to start making some cookies. So I'm going to use a tablespoon to scoop out all of the cookie dough, and it's going to be the perfect size. And I went ahead and I lined a cookie sheet with some foil. You can use parchment paper if you like. So yeah, I'm just using my fingers, and I'm just going to form like a round circle. And but because we're not using any baking soda or baking powder, the dough is not going to expand or rise. So where you put is pretty much where it's going to stay. So this recipe can make around 15 cookies, or maybe even 16, depending on what size scoop you use. So I'm just going to finish making up my cookies. So I know these are Thumbprint cookies, but I decided to use the back of a teaspoon to make the dent in my cookies. So if you want to use your thumb, definitely go ahead and use it, but I'm just going to use the back of a teaspoon. Now I'm ready to start filling in the center of the cookie with some seedless raspberry jam. Now you can use strawberry jam, or you can use pretty much whatever you want. There are so many variations of Thumbprint cookies. I just happen to really love raspberry jam. It is so delicious. So I went ahead and I preheated the oven at 375 degrees, and I'm going to let them bake up for 12 minutes. And just like that, after 12 minutes of baking, this is what the cookies look like. I've transferred them to a cooling rack so they can cool all the way down. And now that they're cooled down, at the very end, I'm just going to sprinkle them with some powdered sugar. So festive, perfect for Christmas. And that's it, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share this video with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me on Instagram, take a picture. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, please let me know in the comment section down below and let me know what you think. Now before you leave, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel by clicking that box you see right there. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right there. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.